Hello again and welcome back to the channel. This is Michael from TOEFLresources.com, and I'm very excited because the new and enhanced TOEFL IBT will start tomorrow. And as you probably know, the biggest changes are to the writing section of the test. So I thought I would give everyone a hand as they prepare for the new TOEFL by providing a complete writing test in this video. So if you don't have it already, pause the video, grab some paper and a pencil to take notes, and also grab something you can use to actually write your essay. In just a moment, we'll start with the integrated writing question. I'm going to show you an article, and I'll give you 3 minutes to read the article and take notes. After that, the article will disappear and I will read the lecture. When that's finished, the article will go back on the screen and you'll have 20 minutes to actually write your essay. After that, we'll start the new writing for an academic discussion task. All right, are you ready? I hope so, because here is the article. Give yourself 3 minutes to read this. I'll let you know when the 3 minutes is up. Okay, that's about 3 minutes. Now get ready for the lecture. You should take notes as you listen to me read. Here goes. The Late Bronze Age collapse was quite sudden, and its cause remains unclear to historians. While the arguments presented in the article you just read are interesting, they are somewhat unconvincing in my opinion. Here are some potential challenges to each theory. First of all, while drought and famine are undoubtedly serious problems for any civilization, it's worth noting that there isn't any reliable evidence of widespread environmental decline during the Late Bronze Age. Recent research has suggested that the climate during this period may have actually been relatively stable and no different from earlier centuries. Additionally, not all of the civilizations in the region collapsed at the exact same time, which would have happened had disasters been the root cause. Now, while the Sea Peoples were very dangerous and caused a lot of harm to residents of the Mediterranean, their actions were not coordinated. What I mean is that while they did attack cities in the area, they didn't work together. The Sea Peoples weren't a unified army and weren't strong enough to destroy entire civilizations. I mean, we're talking about small groups of pirates that couldn't possibly have destroyed whole societies. Certainly, the local militaries would have prevented that from happening. Finally, let's consider the issue of instability. Remember that political instability was not unique to the Late Bronze Age. Many ancient civilizations experienced internal and external conflicts, along with economic inequalities and political unrest. But not all of them collapsed. This sort of problem was a natural feature of most governments of the time, and many of them survived for hundreds of years. Consider the Assyrians. They had all of the same problems, but were able to avoid collapsing and continued to thrive in the centuries that followed. Okay, so now you have 20 minutes to write the essay. Just like at the test center, the essay is the reading is displayed on the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll have the right-hand side of the screen to write your essay. You have cut, paste, undo, and redo features, and a word count will be displayed as you write. Now, I'm not going to let the video run for 20 minutes, so I recommend that you pause the video and give yourself 20 minutes to write your response. In the meantime, we're going to move on to the next question. Next up is the writing for an academic discussion question. What you see on the screen here is what you're going to get on test day. You have 10 minutes to read everything and write your response to the question. Again, I won't let the video run for 10 minutes. You should pause the video and write your response. All right, that is the end of today's video. If you want to know more about what I do, go to TOEFLresources.com. You can find guides to every section of the test. You can find my blog about TOEFL news. You can even contact me about lessons or tutoring if you want some extra help. Now, if you want to get some feedback on your responses, free of charge, here's what you do. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then post one of your responses in a comment down below. Don't post both of them. I don't really have time to check 2 responses from everyone, but just pick one, leave it in a comment down below. When I have a moment, I will estimate how it would score, and I'll give you some general feedback about what you've done right and what you could do better next time. All right, I am going to leave it at that, but please keep an eye on the channel. With the TOEFL changing in very big ways, I am going to upload a lot of videos in the days and weeks ahead. So until then, take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.